Today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech MX Master 3S. It cost me $169. It comes in two variants, black and white colorway. The white colorway, the one that I saw in the store, was only for Mac and does not come with the USB receiver. This one right here, if you check on the side of the box, it has the USB receiver icon. The guy in the store told me if the box has the icon for the USB receiver, that means then the box inside would include the USB receiver. The Mac one, the white colorway, did not have the USB receiver icon, and the guy told me it does not come inside the box, and I may need to purchase that separately, most likely from the Logitech official website. So I got this colorway. And although I do have the best ergonomical mouse, which is the Logitech MX Ergo, there is a reason I got this. I'll tell you about the reason in a while, but first, let's get right into it and unbox this. So when you unbox it, you're going to be presented with the MX Master 3S. And right here, there's a small slot for the USB receiver. It's not inside my box because I've already plugged that into my laptop so that I can get started using the mouse. So let's take the mouse outside the box first. It also comes with a cable and some paperwork, which is right here. It's a basic USB-A to USB-C cable, so I don't need to go into much more detail about that. Here's the mouse. This is the MX Master 3S in the black colorway. You probably might have seen this being used and recommended by other YouTubers. It's a really good and ergonomic mouse, but for me, the MX Ergo still is the best mouse out there in the market. And yes, there is MX Vertical out there as well, which a lot of the people prefer over the MX Ergo because they cannot get used to the trackball. But for me, getting used to the trackball was not very problematic. The MX Vertical to me is tall and it feels very uncomfortable hand positioning to me. So I stick with the MX Ergo, and for work purposes, using it on a daily basis for 8 to 10 hours each and every day, it's very comfortable. The only part where it becomes uncomfortable is whenever I want to do video editing, because I used to carry that mouse to the office, and when I come home for video editing purposes, I used to bring that mouse home as well so that I could edit off of that. But getting precise cuts in the video timeline with the MX Ergo with the trackball, it was very hard. So I thought about it and got the MX Master 3. That's the whole reason I got it, so that I can have precise cuts in my video editing timeline with this. And this mouse, like from the first feel of it, it does feel very good in the hands, and I really like it how it's built. It does feel like it's comfortable, but I would need to use it for a couple of days, if not weeks, and then get the understanding of prolonged use and how it affects or does not affect my wrist. The MX Ergo, some people initially told me before I purchased that as well, that when you have to move your thumb around the trackball, your thumb like experiences some sort of pain. That was not the case for me, so I hope my wrist, does not get some sort of pain that I used to get with traditional mices in the past. Even the gaming mices in the past caused me some wrist pain, which the MX Ergo solved for me. So I hope the MX Master 3 also does not introduce any sort of wrist problems, or like my fingers, like they start to hurt whatsoever. It doesn't feel like it's gonna introduce those pains to me, but I will have to use it for a longer time to validate that. But this actually feels good. The one thing I really like about this one is the scroll wheel that you can see here. The sound it makes is just, it sounds like an engine. Let me bring it closer to the microphone. Yeah, so that's the sound that the scroll wheel makes. And there's another scroll wheel right here, so it really comes in handy when you're editing. I saw a lot of people use that to, scroll through their timeline. So I do plan on using that. There are some custom buttons that you can map out to your liking as well. There's a USB-C charging right here. You can pair this up to 3 devices. It can be your PC, Mac, and iPad, and you have the on and off toggle right here. Yeah, I guess that's been it. I'll use this for a couple of days, if not weeks, and tell you guys how I feel about this, and maybe that's gonna help you purchase this mouse or consider some other alternative out there. I just wanted to do the unboxing and tell you guys about my reasoning to move over to this MX Master 3, especially for video editing purposes. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Till then, peace.